What's up, everybody? Back with another video. Like I said, these videos are not gonna be like normal. Got Mo with me, and I'm going with my hands today. So we're both gonna be throwing. Just want you guys to see how we're doing shit here. So, my back, come ride with us. You guys are gonna be able to see the town, see a lot more than just staring into the hopper. So, I've never done this before like this, so I definitely want to do it. Right up. I got it in there. Give you guys a little behind the scenes. Are you having fun? Oh yeah. Cruella. Head up. Head up. Come to our next stop right here to the right hand side. What up, though? Doing something I normally don't do. Huh? My driver don't. Sorry guys, trying to keep her as steady as possible here. Sorry guys, I was getting this dumpster. Hey, you don't have to go so fast. You're all right. Hey. You want to go fast, you can go fast, but I'm just telling you. Yeah, one thing about us guys was our boss really don't care if we run fast or anything else like that. He likes that me and Mo moves, but good relaxing day. We're still going to get done early, so no problem. Giving you guys a full behind the scenes, so make sure you watch the full videos. Just like this right here. You guys are going to see us do this crazy stuff. Which is fun, because I've never done this before. Hey, you guys see here in 1 second.
Chevy?
Yeah.
They roll around here.
Like I said, guys, doing stuff a little bit different today. I know some will like these videos, some will not, but curb. Put you inside the hopper, get that full detail. They need to trim these trees, man.
Did that all perfect.
No, trust me, I gotta move too.
Good time to go kayak.
Yeah. All right, guys, gonna do it for this one. Stay tuned to the next one. You better see the rest of this get packed.